Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit video in VN video editor. So here I've already opened the VN, and if you want to start a new project, you can just click on the plus icon at the bottom and start click on the new project right here and choose the photo or video that you want to edit. For example, I want to edit okay, so I'm going to find a video first to edit. Okay, so just scroll down. Okay, for example, I want to edit this video, and then click on the arrow at the bottom. Okay, so here is my video, and if the first thing that I usually do is add some music into the video, for example like this, or you can also use from the apps. Okay, so you have to download the audio first, so I'm going to download it, and then I'm going to choose this and click on the check icon, and the video as the audio has been added. So if you want to add some title, you can click on this, or you can also add some sticker in this like this, so you can find, or you can tell the VN to what stickers. And you can also add some filter into the video like this. So you can also trim the video if the video you think the video is too long. You can also adjust the speed, or you can also do some split, and also you can use some template in the VN. And when you're done editing, you can just click on export, and you can also change the frame ratio in the video like this. Okay, so just click on export to save the video to your device. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this video is helpful to you. That is how you can edit video in VN video editor. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.